Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Iraj. I recently moved into my car. This is where I live now. Spent a few nights in here, almost done transitioning as a car liver. But yeah, today we're gonna be going to Smoky Lake in Alberta and see what it's like. I just picked up some food from Superstore, and yeah, man, I'm excited. Let's hit it. Let's hit the road. You could, I don't know if you see that in the distance there, but that's downtown Edmonton, all the towers. So we're going to Smoky Lake, like I said, but I was doing some research and I found some free campsites in Alberta, and they say there's this road called Dead End Road by Smoky Lake. I don't know if I'll find it. I don't know if this is going to be a huge L at the end of the day, but I'm just excited to kind of sleep in my car and kind of keep this going and get better at it, you know, so see how it goes. Just fell. Easy fuel. What is that even for? Well, guess we don't need that. If you're wondering what the drive looks like, it's just a bunch of farmland. Just flat, no mountains. Kind of like that. That's what I'm talking about. Imagine owning one of those. Imagine living there. Imagine having a farm just like out here, you know? That'd be cool, man. We are off-roading now. All right, so update. I got to Cold Lake. I passed Cold Lake to kind of like 10 kilometers south of it. I'm on this dirt road here with the Ford Escape, if you're curious what I'm driving. I'm gonna try to find the spot and kind of hope for the best. I don't know if I'm gonna find it. Fingers crossed. But yeah, this is what I see right now. I'll show you. Cold Lake is over there. Here's the whip. On we go. You know, I think this is exactly what I needed. Just kind of drive off, you know, wherever you stop, your house is right there, you know, I sleep right here, so it's cool. I like it. It's a cool lifestyle. Not that I've really had the chance to fully live it yet, but you know, I look forward to going to the US pretty soon here. This is the worst time to talk to you on a gravel road. Maybe the best time, you know, I don't know, it depends on how you look at it, right? Okay, so a lot's went down. But what I will tell you is we're gonna be okay, I think. Smoky Lake area, campground, that was just not good. So I was like, you know what, we're going north. It's like 15 kilometers to here, to Hamlin Lake campground area. So this is where it's at, and this is what's shaking, bacon. Yeah. All right, that's enough of that. We're here. Wow, look at this place. No one's really here. This is like a summertime place for like bringing your boats here and putting them out on the lake, Hamlin Lake. There's like 2 little lakes right next to each other. My solar panel. Put this here. Boom. All right, check it out. This is what I got in the cooler. Asparagus, lemon, steak. Got some seasoning too. That's gonna be the chow chow. Time to see if I can gather some wood to start a fire, because there's no wood or anyone working here right now. Maybe get some tea going. Yeah, sounds good to me. Glass is proper muddy now. Love that for me. An axe. A man and his axe. Oh yes, this is what I need. That is beautiful. All right. I took a piece of wood, I chopped it sideways a little bit to get some like pieces coming off, to let it light easier. Put a fire starter in there and some paper and some wood in there. I don't know if these are wet or not. Let's see if she lights. Let's go for it. Okay, hopefully that creates a fire. I mean, if I can't start a fire with a fire starter, paper, a lighter, and wood that may be wet, I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Okay, this is, it's not working. The wood is wet. That's the fire starter right there. It's just burning by itself. I don't want to just keep throwing fire starters at it, so I think I gotta devise another plan. I'm getting tired now. Have some coffee. Alright, so I got the jet boil going. Got some water, some tea, some green tea. I got my knife that I got for the entire trip I'll be doing on the channel. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I did switch spots with my car so I could have a nicer place to have a view out my back window, which you saw earlier. Alright. Tea is open. I don't know if I needed a knife for that, but garbage. I gotta start a bag for garbage. Here you are. I gotta make sure this doesn't go out, because if it goes out, it's just pure gas. And all the windows are open right now, if you were wondering, for safety issues. Should I forgot to put the lid on. Garbage, put it in here. Garbage will be up front. And yeah, it's down there. Well, it doesn't look like I'm gonna eat tonight. I couldn't start a fire, and I am an avid faster. I do fast on and off. I've been fasted for a while, and I've been looking forward to kind of getting to a more like wild kind of lifestyle, more like kind of more of a nomadic lifestyle where like you eat a good amount and then you stop eating because you're hunting or whatever. I'm not actually gonna hunt. I'm not a hunter. Never hunted. But is she done? But yeah, that's a little bit of what's going on with me right now. I put the Jetboil away. I'm drinking some tea now. Enjoying the nice view. This new spot is right next to the lake, which is right there. It's covered in snow right now. Maybe I'll do another video where I show you my setup, but for now I'm gonna kind of chill a little bit and put the camera away. Hey guys, it is around 9 or 10 p.m. now. I stopped by a little gas station. I left the camping area, and I'm in a little gas station just chilling in my car, and I'm probably gonna go to sleep. So thanks for coming along with me on my first day. I'll probably see you tomorrow morning. Alright, well, it is the morning. I have brushed my teeth with some water and kind of got up, turned the car on and warmed up. I hope I honestly think I could have done better with the video already. I need a lot more, it could use a lot of improvement, but I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you have a splendid rest of your day. Bye.